So when factorizing trinomials, I have to do certain steps to factorize it fully. So for example, if I had x to the power of 2, this is assuming that the coefficient is 1, x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 9. I have to factorize this, I have to find two numbers that multiply to get 9 and add to get 6. And if I see the factors of 9, I have 9 and 1, 1, and I have 3 and 3. And if I add these up, one of them equals to 10 and one of them equals to 6. Now I know that this is the correct one as it equals to 6 and multiplies to 9. And now what I do with these two numbers is that I split this into two x's and place each one in a parentheses. So I can do this, add each one, add x, and then I'll put one of the threes here, and then the other one here. So now I factorized this trinomial fully, and we can test it using FOIL method, which will give us the same expression as this one. So another example would be if I had the expression x plus 10, x to the power of 2 plus 10 minus 24. I need two numbers that multiply to get minus 24, but add to get 10. To do this, I have to see the factors of minus 24, which would be um, minus 12 and 2, or 12 and minus 2, or minus 8 and 3, or 3, or 8 and minus 3, or 6 and 4, and so on. And then if I try to add all these, any of these, I find that this one would equal to 10, this would equal to 10, this would equal to minus 10, and this would equal to 10, and each of them would give me a different result. But what I found already is the 10 that I need, so now I know that 12 and minus 2 are the numbers that I need. So just like before, I will put two parentheses, and in each one I will add the x, and then I'll use these two numbers here, as I will add here 12, and here I will add minus 2. So now this is fully factorized, and using FOIL method, I can find the same expression. So a third example would be if I had x minus 9 plus 20. Here it gets a little tricky as I need two numbers that multiply to 20 and add to get minus 9. So to do this, I have to find uh, the factors of 20, which could be 20 and 1, or or 10 and 2, or 4 and 5. So here I know that 4 and 5 equals to 9. So if I make both of them minus, it will equal to minus 9, and if I multiply them, it would still be positive 20, as minus times minus is positive. So now I know that I need minus 4 and minus 5. So just like the previous two examples, I'll make two parentheses, and in each one I will add x, and in the first one I will add minus 4, and in the second one I will add minus 5. Now I fully factorized this trinomial.